Hi everyone, my name is Sandra Ujueta. I'm a physician assistant here at Forever Young MedSpa, and today we're going to go through the process of PDO threads and why they pair well with fillers. To start this treatment, I mark the points or incision points where I use a small needle to put a cannula through that runs the thread in. While marking these incision points, I use a vessel finder to help locate and mark any veins or large vessels, which helps us avoid bruising and significant swelling. Once the area is prepped and numb, we go ahead and create our insertion points. Once those are made, we go ahead and insert the cannulas and allow the threads to release into the area. Why someone might get threads is to help with a little bit of the lifting effect, especially when faces start to have jowling or the nasolabial folds, also known as smile lines. With age, we usually experience volume loss. This is why patients often pair PDO threads with filler. PDO threads give the lift that sometimes the fillers cannot give alone. And instead of overfilling, we then combine it with PDO threads to give a much more natural effect. PDO threads mechanically result in instant skin lifting. They contract fat tissue to result in instant skin tightening and promotes collagen production as well as revascularization to renew your skin at the cellular level. All this works together to give you enhanced skin texture, fewer lines and wrinkles, and a more elastic skin.